Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Monopoly Go profile on Sticker Go. Let's get started. Once you've logged into Monopoly Go, you're going to go to the top right corner of the screen and then press on the three horizontal lines. And then you need to remember your profile name. So in my case, it's Jacob. So now, once you're done doing that, you're going to go to the bottom right corner and then press on the Friends tab. And then press on the green invite button at the bottom. And then press on the orange invite button. So then you copy the link and then we need to go to Sticker Go now. Once you've logged into Sticker Go, you're going to go to the bottom right corner and then press on the Profile tab. And then you're going to go to the bottom again and then press on the Monopoly option instead of Options. And then it'll say Link Monopoly Go. So we've copied the link, so now we're going to paste it. And then once we're done doing that, it'll say Name on Monopoly Go. So as I told you before, you need to remember your name on Monopoly Go. So in my case, it's Jacob. And then press Save. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.